guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the day 4th, I guess. Yeah, we all had breakfast. I made French toast with ice cream and some smoothie. We're just prepping for lunch. Right now we're making dal bhat masu tarkari achar. And now we are going to beach. The beach that's right there. So far the trip has been super good. Bandinu sala makeup le asta la ki asta le makeup.
Asta pasta eating
Vice versa.
Both? And
I'm wanting to do it.
assignment? I'm just gonna get quickly ready and we can go to the beach. And I'm wearing my all-time favorite shoes. And I'm ready to leave. Our people asked us to get ready 1 hour ago. Ani अहिलेसम्म रेडी हुनु भएको छैन हाम्रो मान्छेहरु. Why it's taking so long? Why it's taking so long? Mate? Why is it taking so long?
We're not taking long, we are in here, it's okay.
Let's go.
I'm just getting ready.
We are ready for the lunch as well. I'm gonna see you at the beach. At the beach! Oh my god. I don't think I do that. I'm going to rest. Let's go.
Ready?
Are you excited?
I am very excited.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
I am so excited!
Are you excited?
Oh my god. It was disaster. Oh my god.
It is nice.
You okay?
Just with
Yo, and the pole has subway. Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay, he's a leftover mama actually.
Have you? No. It's all another the swat pasta everything.
त्यस्तै त हुनु चाहिदैन नि
No,
I don't have WhatsApp होला. I do have it.
just took the freaking shower. It was nice. Put in muk poli rakhesa, so it's okay. Let's just get changed, you know, and then.
अनि मिठो बेलुका मिठो दिउँसो मिठो खाना हामी घर गएछ हामी
Mama सक्यो?
छ भाइ
Where?
फ्राइड चिकन भनेर
Fried chicken? बनाने?
भनेर फ्राइड चिकन भनेर म च्यानल खोल्छु प्रमोट गर्दिनु
Oh my god! Oh. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I'm just eating. I'm vlogging. It's actually my break for cooking today because I have cooked a lot. Okay, so let's see what they are making. Jamran,
Yes,
what you are making?
my voice, it is so good. It's gonna be so good. I'm making aloo go achar Nepali pure.
Bauzu, what we cooking?
Bye. Jhol chicken. We are cooking jhol chicken.
Chicken jhol?
Jhol chicken.
Jhol chicken?
Jhol chicken.
Oh my god. This looks so good.
If you know the honor, please.
Are you chef? SEF?
Head safe. HCAD.
How go?
हामीले त्यसको SAFE सेफ हो हैन
I'm so tired after that beach trip. Oh my god, my back hurts as well. I just got up from a nap and I can hear by her saying that Khana is ready. And the food is ready. We finally got to eat masu bhat after like I don't know 3-4 days of eating Western foods. Hi guys, I'm really excited. I think Asta is gonna be the drunkest tonight.
Yeah, I think Antima is gonna be the drunkest tonight. We think gonna be the drunkest tonight. I don't think anyone's gonna be drunk tonight because no one gave me an app. She's
Literally eating up. She's
I think she's gonna be the drunkest tonight.
She's already drunk. What do you think, Sakisma?
I think Simran will be the
I like ready boys, we're not gonna make that video.
What do you
Gonna be
think?
drunkest tonight.
What do you think was gonna be the drunkest tonight?
Of course, Asta pasta. Simran, definitely.
Simran and Asta is gonna be the drunkest tonight. But
I think Antima is gonna be the drunkest tonight.
I just got out of my nap and I'm just craving something. We're just eating chicken nuggets. Oh my god, Didi, you are full now.
Someone's birthday. And yeah. Oh my god, I'm looking like I'm like Silu Didi part 2.
Look at how chubby.
And they're like Simran khoi bhane they were because someone like comment on you.
No.
And look, guys, I look like a ghost.